Delta Oscar 7, India Foxtrot from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt.
Your signal is 5 and 7 in this moment. Juliet November 49 India Kilo. Juliet November 49 India Kilo. Microphone back to you. Romeo 2 Alpha Romeo Kilo. Question mark. Delta Hotel 7 India Fox.
Okay, Roger. Delta Hotel number 7 India Foxtrot. Delta Hotel 7 India Foxtrot from Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Good day, Mikhail. Thank you for your call. You are 5 by 9, 59. Name is Alex. Alpha Lima Echo X-ray. Alex. And my QTH locator is how copy? Delta Hotel 7 India Foxtrot Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt.
Yeah, thank you, Alex. No problem to copy you. Romeo 2 Alpha Uniform Kilo. No problem. Now I got your call sign correctly, Alex. And by the way, my second name is also Alex. And so it's no problem to remember the name. And yeah, your signal 5 and 7 to 5 and 8 in this moment. And I'm using an 85 centimeter dish on the balcony on a tripod. And two turn helix in front of the dish. And an modified LNB by Megasat. It's a quad LNB with an 25 megahertz stabilization, and the SDR, I'm using an SDR in this moment, and Pluto Plus with a small preamplifier from Analog Devices, and an amplifier from SG Lab. Around 5 watt output, only 5 watt output in this moment, and it's only a very thin Ethernet cable coming through the balcony door here into the room to my notebook PC, and I'm using the SDR console version 3.4. That's the station in this moment. I have many different stations because I'm doing also from time to time portable activation. Like in a 1.5 week I'm traveling, and so I use a different station when I'm traveling. Romeo 2 Alpha Uniform Kilo, Delta Hotel 7 India Fox.
Okay. Delta Hotel 7 India Fox, Radio 2 Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Thank you for the info. I'm using right now a 0.9 meters dish, 0.9 meter dish, also on my balcony right now. I'm using Bullseye LNB, and for receiving also I'm using a helix antenna, 5-turn helical antenna. For transmitting, I'm using an HF transmitter, my own homebrew HF transmitter on 29 megahertz, which are converted to 2.4 gigahertz using another device I made using an upconverter. The power is about 5 watts, and for receiving I'm also using RTL SDR and software GQRX software. How copy, Michael? Over.
So your station doing a great job. And yeah, from time to time I'm using also an HF transceiver and an upconverter, but I'm using the frequency on the 50 megahertz and on 6 meter, and yeah, and not on 28 or 29 megahertz. But it depends from station to station, also on my side. Yeah, thank you for the very nice contact. I wish you all the best and stay healthy. Hope to meet you again, maybe when I'm in a holiday from Greece. I'm working from Greece with also the 85 centimeter dish I'm now using in this moment, but with different equipment, and I'm doing also some HF with a hex beam from 20 meter to 6 meter. Maybe I can catch you also on this frequency. I wish you all the best, have a nice Sunday, and hope to meet you again. 73 Purple, Romeo 2, Alpha Uniform Kilo, Delta Hotel 7, India Fox.
Okay. Delta Hotel 7, India Fox from Radio 2, Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. Thank you, Mikhail, for nice QSO, for all the info, and yes, I hope to meet you again. I wish you all the best. 73, bye-bye. Delta Hotel 7, India Foxtrot from Radio 2, Alpha Uniform Kilowatt. 73, bye-bye.